Hi all, welcome back. So in this particular video, we are going to cover a topic that is like how we can see page properties and what are the page properties available. So we are going to cover one by one all the topics. So let me show you like how you can see the page properties. So first option is this: by selecting a particular page, you can hit the properties page. The second option is this: you can just change the view from the column view to card view, and inside the card view you can see that these are the particular pages which are present under this practice directory. So if I want to see the properties of experience, then this icon I will help for that. Okay, so one thing is this. Second, I have already explained you like you can use from the column view by selecting a particular page and go to that properties. And the third option we have is that by clicking on the editor, and inside the editor I will say just go there on the page and click on this second icon and go to the this page properties, yeah, open properties. Okay, so here you can see like many tabs are present. So like I will say basic, advanced, thumbnail, social media, cloud service, personalization, permissions. So these all we are going to cover. So page have two like additional attributes also, depending on the nature of the this page. So you are you are have two more column, that is like blueprint, and one is live copy also, if that particular page is created through the live copy, then only. Okay, so as of now like this particular page is not created by that, so we are just taking a overview of these like what all these things are. So under the basic tab, if I say, so these are the basic fields. Like title is the page title, we can provide the tags for the page. If we want to hide this particular page in the navigation, then we can select that hide in the navigation. Otherwise we can provide like more titles and descriptions are also there, like we can provide the page title. So this is used to set the page title to be used on the page if the title differs from the title property. So suppose the page title will be displayed in the title component on the page instead of the title property used for the title tag on the HTML page. So if you like you are using this, okay, but this is the about us title, but if you provide some page title here, then that will reflected on that particular tab. Okay, so that is the thing. So we can like provide a navigation menu also, and many fields are there. So we are not going to cover all the things, because once we go into the deep dive, then we are going to cover all these things. Under the advanced tab, I will say this is the like settings. Under the settings we have language, so we can set the language of the page if it differs from the language of the websites, or no more language property is inherited. Suppose we want this particular page in our Hindi language. Okay, so I'm just giving you a quick uh, example. Let's see like whether this work or not. Okay, so I have provided this Hindi page. I'm clicking save and close, and let me see whether it get reflected or not. So now you can see like we don't have any content, but the default property of this page is now Hindi. Okay, default English, default language I will say is now Hindi. So we can do like that. Okay, so for the translation we have other option, we can use that also. And apart from that, we have thumbnail. Here we can upload a thumbnail, or like if we are not satisfied with this particular thumbnail, then we can upload our new. Okay, and social media, we can use that, enable to users share on Facebook, Pinterest if we want to that. If you want to like configure it with the cloud services, then we can use that. Inside the personalization, we have two fields, that is context hub and targeting configuration. So we are going to see all these in the detail. So as of now, like we are skipping these parts. So let me save and close. So I'm like showing you one example how you can edit the page properties. Okay, so for that what you need to do, just go to the page in which particular page you want to edit. So I'm taking the example of demo now. I will click edit, and after clicking the edit, I will open the properties of this particular page. Inside the properties, I will go to the advanced mode, and inside the advanced, I will select, like there is a option of open selection dialog. Okay, so open selection dialog, where is that? Okay, so we are not able to get open selection dialog, is not there present. So I think this one is responsible for that. Okay. So we are providing a redirect path to that particular page. So we are under vRetail, language master, English, uh, the practice. So we are currently a demo. I want like someone heads on that particular link, then it will get redirect to tab practice. Okay, select. Now uh, I will save and close and see whether the page is being reflected to. So you can see the page redirects to tab practice. If I hit the preview, now if someone clicks on this tab practice, then it will get redirected to tab practice. Okay, so this is a basic property that we have done, and like as I already explained you, like you can do one more thing I want to cover. Like you can add a common property to more than one page at a time. Suppose I want to add a component, I want to add something in these three pages. So I will select all the three pages at a time by pressing the control key and select the properties page. And once I hit the properties page, then this is like the screen which is going to come. So what we are going to do, and we are just uh, we are going to edit these details. So how we can do that? So is there is no option coming for that basic, so I'm looking for that only. So here like okay, so we will see like in the next video why this is not coming like for the multiple pages, because we have the option to edit that. Okay, so we will meet in the next video.